Hello, hello students. Today we are going to discuss some additional properties of binary operation. Students, you should remember that these properties may or may not be satisfied by any binary operation, but it doesn't mean that that operation is not binary operation. These are some additional properties. Remember this. So let us understand all these properties. First is commutativity. So a star is commutative if A star B is equal to B star A. Then associativity, when there are three elements, then it doesn't matter which two elements we are applying first. Either we are applying B star C and then with star A, or we are applying A star B and then with star C. Then existence of identity. Now what is identity? To understand this, let us recall our addition. 0 is identity for addition. Why? Because if you add any number with 0, result is unchanged. Similarly, 1 is multiplicative identity. Why? Because if you multiply 1 with any number, result is unchanged. So in general, E is the symbol for identity, and A star E is equal to A, then E star A is also A. And whether star is commutative or not, but identity element commutes with every other element. This is the feature of identity. Remember this. Next is existence of inverse. Now inverse means any number will be called as inverse if we operate with given number and result is identity. For example, if I add -2 to 2, result is 0. So minus 2 is additive inverse of 2. Similarly, if I multiply 1 by 2 with 2, result is 1, which is multiplicative identity. So 1 by 2 is inverse of 2. So let us check first two properties of some function, and then in next class we will discuss next two. So commutativity and associativity. So first is on Z A star B is equal to A minus B, or simply subtraction. Now as we know that if something is not true, then we can give example. So we can give example here. It is not commutative as 3 minus 2 is not equals to 2 minus 3. Then for associativity, if example is not, we can't find any example, then we can move theoretically also. For example, A star B star C should be equals to A star B star C. Now let us pick left hand side, A star B star C, that means A star B minus C. To get success in associativity or commutativity or any other property, I always strongly recommend that never just have picture in your mind that A star B is there. Try to rinse your mind like it is first star second element. Okay, first star second, so first minus second. Okay, so when I say B star C, that means first star second, so first minus second, that means B minus C. Now second element is B minus C, so first star second, that means A minus bracket start second or B minus C, or finally it is A minus B plus C. Now next is A star B then star C. So A star B is simply A minus B. Now this is my first element, this is second element, so A minus B and then minus C. So clearly LHS is not equal to RHS, so it is not associative. Now on Q means rational number. A star B is equal to AB plus 1. Again read in your mind like that, first star second is equal to product of 2 plus 1. Now commutativity, clearly it is commutative. A star B is equal to AB plus 1 and B star A is equal to BA plus 1, no problem. For associativity, now A star B star C, so I am applying B star C, that means BC plus 1. Now this is my second element, so A then B plus 1, or if I open the bracket, so ABC plus A plus 1. Now next is RHS, A star B then star C, so it is AB plus 1 then star C, or AB plus 1 into C plus 1, so it is ABC plus C plus 1. So we can see LHS is not equals to RHS, so it is not associative. Next is on Z positive, A star B is equal to 2 raised to the power AB. That means what is A star B? Product of the numbers, and then that number is raised to the power of 2. So commutativity, clearly star is commutative, A star B is 2 raised to the power AB and B star is 2 raised to the power BA, so it is commutative. Now associative, A star B star C. Now this is very important. When I say B star C, that means 2 raised to the power BC. Now treat this as second element. So now what is A star 2 raised to the power BC? It simply means product of these two. So just symbolically write A into 2 raised to the power BC and make this as power of 2. So 2 raised to the power A into 2 raised to the power BC. Now A star B is 2 raised to the power AB star C, and then it is 2 raised to the power A into C. You can also prove, because this is not associative, so you can also give any example. Then on again Z positive, A star B is equal to A raised to the power B, or we can say first raised to the power second. Now commutativity, it is commutative as A star B is equal to A raised to the power B and B star A is equal to B raised to the power A. So clearly star is not commutative. Now for associativity, A star B star C. B star means B raised to the power C. Now B raised to the power C means it's a single number. Now B raised to the power C straight away will be written as power of A. So it is A raised to the power B raised to the power C. Whereas A star B then star C means A raised to the power B then star C, or A raised to the power B whole raised to the power C. So this is actually power into power A raised to the power BC. So star is not associative. So you can also check this by any example. So that's it. That's all for today. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.